In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import PDF questions into Google Form. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. When the Google Forms homepage loads, you will see options that allow you to start fresh or work with a form you have already created. Once you are on the Google Forms page, decide whether to start with a blank form or use one of your existing forms. Choosing a blank form provides a fresh canvas, while selecting an existing form allows you to build upon work you have already done. Both options are available to suit your project requirements. After opening or creating your form, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface where you will find a 3-dot icon. This icon signals additional options and settings. Click this icon to reveal the menu that contains further customizations and integrations. From the menu that appears, search for the option that mentions getting add-ons. This selection will lead you to an environment where you can enhance your form with extra features. Within the add-ons section, you will need to search for a tool called AI Form Builder. This specialized add-on is designed to automatically convert the content of a PDF file into questions for your Google form. Enter the search term for AI Form Builder and browse through the results until you locate the correct tool. Once you have found AI Form Builder listed among the options, proceed by clicking the installation button to add it to your collection of available tools. Confirm the installation when prompted and allow the process to complete. After the installation is complete, return to your form and access the add-ons menu again by clicking the designated add-ons option. In this menu, you will now notice that AI Form Builder is available. Select AI Form Builder from the list to bring up its interface. With the AI Form Builder interface open, you are ready to initiate the transformation of your PDF into form questions. Within the AI Form Builder interface, you will see an option that allows you to create questions from your PDF document. Click on the control labeled Create Questions From. This action prepares the tool to process your PDF file. You will then be prompted to choose the file upload method. Select the option that directs you to upload a file, and then navigate through your device to find the appropriate PDF containing your questions. Once you have located and chosen the correct PDF file, complete the action by clicking on the Submit button. After clicking Submit, the tool will begin processing the file. In a short time, you will see that the questions have been successfully imported into your Google form, ready for any necessary tweaking or review. This method streamlines the task of transferring questions from PDF documents into digital forms, making the process quick and user-friendly. Enjoy the enhanced capabilities of your form and the efficiency of working with AI Form Builder.